K-pop. So let me Gracia, Indra, and Yukis. Can you say hello K-popers?
Hello K-popers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello K-popers?
1, 2, 3. Hello K-popers!
Cakep. Cakep. Saya cinta kamu.
Saya cinta kamu.
Cinta kamu.
We love you.
Kok dia bisa sih? Gado-gado enak.
Gado-gado enak. Gado-gado.
Oke. Ternyata mereka juga mencintai bahasa Indonesia. Dia ketawa, ngerti berarti kan saya ngomong. Baiklah. Oke. It's all about kiss me.
Yes.
Okay, so what does kiss me mean for you?
내가 먼저 얘기할까요?
Okay.
물론 전 세계 유키스를 사랑하시는 키스미는 정말 유키스의 그 심장 같은 존재, 정말 중요한 존재인데요. 특히 우리 인도네시아 팬 여러분들은 이렇게 실제로 유키스와 만날 자리가 별로 없어서 좀 인도네시아 팬 여러분들한테 좀 각별한 것 같아요. 뭐 이렇게 SNS를 통해서 정말 많은 응원을 해주시는데 많이 못 찾아가서 너무 미안하고 항상 유키스가 키스미를 더 많이 사랑할 수 있는 그런 가수가 되도록 노력하겠습니다.
Oh yeah! Yeah. You? So what does kiss me mean for you?
Everything we do is for our Kiss Me's, and Kiss Me to us is like family. We really think about Kiss Me's as, you know, a family, and we really care for all of our Kiss Me's, and we really want to show all that we can do to Kiss Me's, and we hope that they're satisfied with our music and our dances and everything we do, and we just hope that we could just inspire our Kiss Me's, and we'll always be there for you. So.
Hebat ya, dia bilang katanya kiss me kayak keluarga. Oh bagus banget nih, kalau misalnya kita kiss me kan kita kayak keluarga sama dia kan akrab.
Okay.
Okay. For the next question, it's all about kiss me, okay? What the message for deliver to kiss me in Indonesia? Any message you want to deliver to kiss me in Indonesia?
But the expectations.
Okay, yeah.
Is that okay?
What's the expectations for you, kiss me?
Okay. Here.
하고 싶은 거지? 계획이야?
하나 계획이나.
인도네시아에서 콘서트를 꼭 인도네시아 콘서트 하고 싶고 인도네시아 팬 여러분들과 굉장히 가까워질 수 있는 그런 팬미팅이나 아니면 뭐 사인회 서로 사진 찍는 거 뭐 그런 걸 좀 많이 해보고 싶어요. 네. 나 이거 설명해줘요.
Yeah, he wants to do. We want to do a concert hopefully
Okay.
soon in Jakarta, and also we want to hold a lot of fan meetings so we could see our Indonesian Kiss Me's more often and get closer to them because we think they are so special to us.
그때 꼭 오라고
And we, of course you're Kiss Me, so you'll be a part of it too, right? We'll be looking for you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Aku nggak sabar kan. Baiklah. Well, message delivery for you. You'll kiss me.
Okay. Well, we're so glad to be back in Indonesia, and we're really sorry that we couldn't be with all of our members this time, but hopefully we'll be back in April, so we'll see you guys then. But for this time we're here, just Suyun and I. We hope that we could be a lot of support to Indonesia, and we're really thinking about you guys, so hope you guys are doing better. And we'll always be praying and supporting you guys, so just always support us, and we love you guys. Thank you.
Love you.
Can you
Saya
repeat?
cinta kamu.
Saya cinta kamu.
Saya
Saya
cinta
cinta
kamu.
kamu. Baiklah. Can you repeat when you fan meeting in Jakarta?
Hold on. Okay, sorry. Okay, our fan meeting will be held in April in Jakarta. It'll be on April 26th to the 27th. So please show your love to UKISS, and we hope to see everyone there. We'll have a great time. Yes.
And all the members come to Jakarta
Of
for
course. All of the members will be here, so let's have a great time. See you guys there.
K-popers baru 2 aja kita udah nggak tahan. Apalagi orang semuanya datang ya kan? Okay, can you sing the short song please?
Oh, sure. Stop, girl?
Stop girl.
Okay.
this song is many people for request in Tokyo Pop.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Thank you.
so
Thank you guys so much.
Stop girl. Okay.